Aave generally is a mid-position cryptographic money right now valued at $73.18 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $1,060,397,293 in and in every practical sense, lured way. Over the fundamentally past especially couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including Aave, laid out a kind of solid traction in the worldwide monetary world and essentially are currently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex. At this extremely specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Aave to the level at $73.18, where it presently in a real sense sits in an unobtrusive way. As currently referenced, Aave for the most part is a mid-position cryptographic money, since it as of now possesses the 43rd spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the truly metric that sort not set in stone, by duplicating the sort of current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, which certainly is genuinely huge. On account of Aave, the market capitalization generally remains at $1,060,397,293. The significance of this boundary will explicitly be made sense of later in every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Our cost expectation calculation fundamentally is planned in extremely such a manner that it constantly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to truly furnish our supporters with the most dependable data on the truly present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to enough certainly survey the condition of their portfolio, and generally choose whether or not it essentially has to really be reconfigured in every practical sense. In spite of mainstream thinking, our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which for the most part is in every practical sense essential for the kind of right assessment of both certainly current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its kind of present and future bearing in a truly significant manner. Underneath you will really find pretty key extracts of this verifiable information, so you also could generally have a comprehension of where the Aave market in every practical sense is going in an all things considered enormous way. Recently, on July 27, Aave for the most part was esteemed at $72.03. At the turn of the two exchanging meetings, basically recollect that digital currencies are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. Or so they in every practical sense thought. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period fundamentally added up to 1.06% in a kind of significant manner. 7 days prior, on July 21, Aave really was exchanged at $72.44 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that explicitly near its extremely present position, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. On June 28, which was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Aave at $64.97, the cost level that truly is at the distance of 12.64% from where it presently stands. The cost of Aave and the readings of CVIX in every practical sense are by all accounts not the only measurements that we use while attracting the cost expectations a huge way. Market capitalization basically is one more significant truly metric that generally assists traders with truly deciding the ubiquity of the digital currency being referred to, as well as its future possibilities in an unpretentious manner. It's likewise used to evaluate the offer that Aave in a real sense holds inside the exceptionally whole digital currency market, showing that it is likewise used to really survey the offer that Aave for the most part holds inside the sort of whole cryptographic money market amazingly. The recipe for the computation of market capitalization sort of is somewhat straightforward. The circling supply of the cash being referred to fundamentally is duplicated by its for the most part current cost in an unpretentious manner. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of Aave in a real sense remains at $1,060,397,293, enough to name it the 43rd outright biggest coin on the digital money market, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Recently, on July 27, the market capitalization of Aave most certainly remained at $1,043,671,061, which sort of shows that Aave in a real sense is a mid-position digital money presently estimated at $73.18 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $1,060,397,293. Which by and large is genuinely critical. 7 days prior, on July 21, the capitalization of Aave was $1,049,439,242. So over the sort of beyond couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including Aave, laid out areas of strength for and in the worldwide monetary world, and especially are presently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary standards forex, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. A month prior, on June 28, how much sort of capital streaming around this truly specific market fundamentally added up to $938.093456, which for the most part is very critical. Most digital money financial backers by and large stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a fundamentally certain digital currency and its capacity to, in a real sense, endure disturbances, which in a real sense are the in every practical sense normal event on this profoundly unstable market. The exceptionally greatest stockpile of Aave for the most part is 16,000,000 Aave. The extremely all-out supply of Aave as of now truly remains at 16,000,000 coins. So most digital currency financial backers for the most part comply with the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a very certain digital money and its capacity to for the most part endure disturbances, which by and large are the especially normal event on this profoundly unpredictable market. The most certainly most extreme stockpile of Aave basically is 16,000,000 Aave. The complete stockpile of Aave at present by and large stands at 16,000,000 coins in an exceptionally significant manner. The coursing supply of the digital currency under audit for the most part is 14,489,802 Aave by and large, in spite of mainstream thinking. This Aave cost expectation wouldn't in every practical sense be really finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the sort of measurement utilized by essentially all cryptographic money dealers to fundamentally affirm the strength of the pattern and the feasibility of a market move. For example, on the off chance that the breakout to the potential gain explicitly is happening on the rear of the by and large low exchanging volume, there by and large is an in every practical sense high likelihood that this move truly is impractical and would generally bring about a bullish snare, which truly shows that our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which especially is genuinely irreplaceable for the essentially right assessment of both pretty current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its genuinely present and future bearing, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Hence, it is essential to in every practical sense break down the past and the especially current exchanging volume of request to comprehend whether this market has a basic strength, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. Over the by and large beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume on the Aave market was enrolled at $57,417